Here are 4 basic habits that the happiest couples have learned to do regularly with each other. See if you are practicing these habits in your most important relationships. If I've learned anything in my 25 years of being a relationship coach, it's that achieving a happy relationship is something that can be grown and achieved over time. If you're not as happy as you'd like to be in your relationship, I want to assure you that with the right tools and skills, it can improve. So grab your partner, because in this video, I'm going to help you do just that. Habit number 1, the happiest couples show gratitude to each other daily. Research shows that showing gratitude increases our overall mood and improves our health, helps us deal with adversity, and helps us build strong relationships. Happy couples say thank you for the little things that their partner does for them. They verbalize their gratitude, and they don't pass up a moment to point out something positive to their partner. I challenge you to practice gratitude today. Whether it's writing a thank you note, keeping a gratitude journal, or even talking positively about someone behind their back, that little bit of gratitude and the positivity it brings will do wonders for your happiness. Moving along now to the second habit, the happiest couples are fully present, and they stay in the moment with their partner more often than unhappy couples do. Psychologists have found that we as humans spend nearly half of our time, 46.7% of the time, thinking about something other than what we are actually doing. And what researchers are finding is that daydreaming is causing us to consistently feel unhappy. The happiest couples make the effort to actually listen to what their partner is saying when they're saying it. They pay attention to the little details in each other's lives. They notice when their partner's having a bad day or a new haircut or a redecorated room. The happiest couples make the effort to put their phones away, eliminate distractions, and find moments every day to be 100% present and connect with their partner. You can start being more present with your partner by setting aside uninterrupted, focused time with your partner every day. Start with 5 minutes at first and slowly work your way up to at least 30 minutes a day of together time. By starting to be more present, I promise you that you'll start to see immediate results to your happiness. Moving on to habit number 3, the happiest couples accomplish their goals together. Research in positive psychology shows that the happiest people in life are more effective at getting things done than less happy people. It's not that the act of accomplishing things makes us happy, as much as it is that by being happy, we end up getting more stuff done. The same is true in our relationships. Happy couples get results together. Instead of just living 2 parallel lives, they find meaningful projects and activities that they can do together. Whether it's raising a healthy family, saving enough money for retirement, or finishing a room in the house, these couples have learned the value in accomplishing things together. They're able to be more and accomplish more together. Try and find a project today that you and your partner could work on together that would motivate and uplift both of you. And see if that doesn't create a sense of togetherness that brings you so much more happiness and a chance to actually be one. The fourth and final habit of happy couples is that they prioritize serving their partner above themselves. Research shows that people who serve others are generally happier than those who only look out for themselves. The happiest relationships involve 2 people who aren't keeping score about who's doing more, but instead are more worried about serving their partner. They seek out opportunities every day to serve their partner. They find fulfillment not from being served, but from losing themselves in selfless service of others. I challenge you to ask yourself every day, what is the most important thing I can do today to serve my partner their way? Then go do that activity that comes up in your mind. I promise if you apply these 4 habits into your relationships and personally in your life as well, you will create and grow a happy, fulfilling, mutually beneficial relationship. If your relationship isn't as happy as you'd like it to be, then it's time for the relationship makeover you deserve. Click the link in the description and grab my new mini course called the 10-Day Relationship Makeover and get access to 10 value-packed videos, a 50-point assessment to determine the health of your relationship, and a workbook, all for just $27. Or it's free if you're a member of my monthly coaching program called Becoming One, where you'll have access to be coached by me and you'll get to watch others get coached by me and have access to new workshops every month. Again, links for both of those programs are in the description. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.